beautiful people. My name is Igobasi Chris. I am a mindset coach, a writer, a net-preneur, and an entrepreneur. At my free time, I also play the bass guitar. I am based in Yenagoa, Bayelsa State, Nigeria. Welcome to my official YouTube channel. On this channel, my team and I create videos to inform, entertain, and educate you on everything mindset. Mindset is everything. It can create the environment that you want. The totality of a man's physical activity is a function of what goes on his or our mind. Our major aim at Mind Boss is to help you realize how powerful your mind is, how it works, and how you can use it to create and build your desired lifestyle. Listen to this. The mind of a man is a powerful tool for our own benefit. Whatever the human mind can conceive, believe, and if action is taken, the mind can achieve it for whatever it is. So expect to see videos on the power of the mind, how the mind works, and how you can use your mind power to create, build, and achieve your dreams. Your dreams could be how to make money, how to create wealth, how to start and grow your business, or how to achieve success in any aspect of life. You could be a student, you could be a pastor, whether in relationship. This channel will reveal to you the right mindset on how to achieve that particular dream of yours. Also, expect to see live shows and videos of personalities who have lived and achieved their dreams in their various endeavors in life, just by simply applying the principles that we teach on this channel. Please do well to subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell notification icon so that you get notified each time we post a new video. Also remember to like and share our videos with your friends and your loved ones. Once again, I remain your humble servant, Igobasi Chris. Thanks for the support and always being there. See you in the channel. God bless you.